Hi, my name is Brian, and today I'm excited to announce the brand new partnership between Airtame, Salamander, and Jabra. Specifically, excited to talk about our brand new bundle, including the Jabra PanaCast 50, the Salamander Acadia Tabletop Stand, and of course, our Airtame Hub. So, starting off with the Salamander Acadia Tabletop Stand, this mechanism really makes it simple and easy for all installations to happen, because we want to make sure that all those mini, small to medium BYOD spaces out there with no video conferencing equipment can be easily accommodated. So starting off, our stand can of course mount our TV, but by the way, it can also mount our peripheral. So our Jabra PanaCast 50 here mounts either below or above the TV with the Salamander included equipment. And then we can also hide our Airtame Hub and any other compute equipment and cables nicely in the cabinets located behind the display here. All of these cables and any other peripherals can easily be managed so that there's an aesthetically pleasing conference space for when our users walk in. Contributing to that ease of use on the installation side, we want to continue that with our end users. And so, from the Airtame solution, it's as simple as walking into your conference environment, going to airtame.com/go, and then typing in the pairing code you see on the screen. Once you type in the pairing code, you have the option to join your call or share your screen. I'm going to join my call, which makes a connection with my Jabra PanaCast 50. It's going to picture all the participants in my small to medium space, whether they're on the side of the TV or not, because it has a beautiful 180-degree field of view. So without further ado, when I select join call, it's going to load up a list of my meetings for the day, whether they're Teams, Zoom, WebEx, or Google Meet. And then for each meeting, it's the same process. So again, keeping that simplicity at its core. When I select the join meeting, it sends a link to my Airtame device. The Airtame will join into the call. And as you can see, it's capturing me whether I'm on the direct side of the camera. I'm looking literally directly at the camera here. On either side, they can capture all the participants in my space. And then by the way, there's a beautiful dynamic composition mode, which allows each participant to be framed in their own way and then presented into the call, just like we have it here. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and exit this meeting. But this is just how quick and easy it is with this new bundle. Again, the Salamander Tabletop Acadia Stands, the Jabra PanaCast 50, and the Airtame Hub, rapidly cutting down the amount of time it takes to deploy these small to medium BYOD spaces. For more information, please feel free to reach out to us at airtame.com. Thank you.